Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I will be opening up the Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of December and I'm so excited. I do have all these products on my face right now, so if you want to know what I got in here, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I am pulling out of this box is the Hearth palette from Chantico Beauty. This retails for $40. Attain a mesmerizing eye look with this 12 shade eyeshadow palette. The Hearth eyeshadow palette features rich warm tones reminiscent of a cozy fireside experience. With shades ranging from deep cocoa brown to fiery reds, it captures the essence of warmth and comfort, perfect for creating a wide variety of looks. I absolutely love this palette. I think it's so cute. The packaging is so cozy. It reminds me of Christmas, I guess. It's not technically a Christmas palette, but when I open it up and I look at it, it reminds me of Christmas. So I created this beautiful Christmas look with it. I tried my best to create a string of lights inspired by Lynn's makeup looks on Instagram. She's incredible and she makes everything so simple that I just want to try to make everything she creates on my eyes. But here's the Hearth palette. I think it's pronounced Hearth. I'm not sure. But I love the color story in here. I think the shimmers are so pretty. I love that you get a true white in here. I was tempted to put white on my lower lash line, but I figured that would look a little weird. I did use the green, the red, the yellow, and this pretty nice brown shade. It's just like a nice transition. And then I used the shade Luna as like the topper in the center. It's just so sparkly and pretty. I love it so much. So yeah, this palette did not disappoint me, and I'm glad to have another Christmas palette because I don't have that many Christmas holiday inspired palettes. I didn't have any issues creating this look, and I found the shades to be very pigmented. More pigmented than I thought they would be. I'm really excited to continue using that. The next item is the Angel Highlighter by Zeesea Cosmetics x the British Museum. This retails for $26. This highlighter is available in 2 different finishes. It delivers a stunning soft focus glow to your skin, luminous complexion, long-lasting and blendable. It gives you the perfect effortless highlight. I actually love the way this highlight showed up on my skin. I think it looks so good. And the packaging of this is so beautiful. I didn't know it was a collaboration with the British Museum. I think that's so beautiful. I feel like we should, create more artsy makeup. We should create more artsy makeup. But this is a nice highlighter. It's not one of those super bright in your face kind of highlighters. This one's definitely more subdued. It's definitely on the softer side, and just as it describes, it gives you like this luminous glow that looks like lit from within. It just looks stunning. I would wear this all the time. This is stunning. The next thing I am pulling out of here is the mini lip set by Ofra. This retails for $20. Why pick one color when you could have 4? This mini lip set is the perfect set for the holidays. It has nudes, pinks, and red. You can also just slip them in your purse or clutch and take them to go without taking up too much space. This is actually so cute. I love the Ofra minis. So I'm a fan that I have this. So in this set you get Winwood, you get Aventura, you get Miami Fever, and you get Sunny Belle. These are all Miami names. And I have Winwood, so I'm going to go ahead and put this aside. And I also do have Miami Fever, so I'm going to go ahead and put that aside for like a giveaway, I guess. But let me swatch them. Here are all of the swatches. Ofra's formula is top tier. They literally perfected the liquid lipstick formula, so it is so good. I love it. It's so comfortable. And my lips were actually super dry before I put this on, and then they look really good with it on, so I really appreciate that from Ofra. The next item from the box is the Cream White Liquid Liner by Zeesea Cosmetics. This has a value of $24, backed by popular demand, this time in white. You guys loved the formula of this last month, so we're extra excited to find that we had the opportunity to bring this eyeliner formula back. The white is perfect for this holiday season. Create a fun look or just use it to open and brighten up your eye look. White eyeliner is very popular around the holiday season. I agree. I use this to help me create the beautiful light bulbs. I love this. I think the tip will get dirty. If you're using it for fun looks like this, the tip will get dirty. Usually I prefer a potted eyeliner. Like this. I think it was really easy to create the circular shapes that I needed with the pen. And I do really enjoy that liquid formula. I think it's so easy to work with and the tip is really nice. It's just an overall really good formula, and I hope we continue to see them in these boxes because they just keep slaying. And the last item in this box is the lip liner duo by BeBella Cosmetics. You get two. This retails for $6. Liquid lipsticks can get a little bit messy and hard to apply precisely. That's why we're giving you 2 lip liners to go with the lipstick set. This will help you get a clean and even application, or even get the plump lip look by overlining. I did not use these today, and being the pink was too light and the coral was just too orange, the colors do not really match the lipsticks. So I did not use these today. They don't seem to be like the best lip liners, but they do seem to like get the job done. I just don't love the color selection, and I don't see myself gravitating towards these colors in particular. So I did just pull out my Hard Candy Boyfriend lip liner. That one is so good. I love it. I enjoyed this box. I had a lot of fun playing with the items that I got today. I especially loved the palette because I love these shades, and I love that you get different like kind of duochromes in here. I think it's super fun. And then the highlighter also, because it is a collaboration with the British Museum, and you do get a little snippet of the painting on the compact, which I think is absolutely stunning. And then you get like the little cupid in there. That's also so cute. I think this is a standout item for me. I love the formula. I love like highlighters that give me a soft glow. I don't always want to shine to the gods. I don't always want like a super sparkly highlighter. Sometimes I want something a little lighter, a little more natural, and I feel like this is perfect for that. I love Ofra. I know I love Ofra, so the liquid lipsticks are definitely a good surprise, and I'm glad that I have 2 new shades to try because I have so many Ofra lippies that I'm surprised I didn't have more of the shades from the set. And before you leave, just don't leave. I have a holiday giveaway. I will put up the rules on screen so you can read them. Please read them. But yeah, let's get into everything that is in here. In this one box, I will be giving away more stuff throughout the month, so stay tuned. First item is the e.l.f. Love Triangle lip filler liner in the shade Soft Pink. I am giving away the Ciate the Velvet palette, a Flora by Gucci perfume. This is the Huile de Toilette, and this one's the Glorious Mandarin one. I am giving away the Dew of the Gods Ultra Tonic, the Essence the blush in the shade Believing, the ColourPop Witching Hour Hocus Pocus collab palette. This is the second one. We also have the Ofra Love Lip Gloss and the Ofra Saint Tropez Liquid Lipstick. And I'm adding a little Miami Fever in here just for you, so you can have more Ofra lippies like I have Ofra lippies. And last but not least, the Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette. I'm not opening anything, so it can be a surprise. Rules will be up on screen. Please follow them. Please, please, please. It makes my life 10 times easier. Go fill out the form because that is the only way I can do this without worrying about so many scammers on the internet, so please be careful. I will announce the giveaway winner in my community tab, and this is giveaway number 1, so just in case you see multiple community posts about giveaways, this particular giveaway is giveaway number 1. Only one giveaway winner per giveaway. You can't win multiple times, is what that means. I personally don't know when I will close this. I will see how it goes in a week. If I need to extend it, I will probably let you know in a community post. But yes, that is it for me today. Good luck with the giveaway, and thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Gives you the perfect effortlessly. It's formulated with ultra fine shimmer particles to create a glowing, and these are all like Florida names, Miami names. Backed by popular I have so much. I'm surprised I don't have more Ofra, more of the. That's why we're giving you 2 lip liners to go with the lips. We share all of the Ofra lippies with everyone.